Hey guys. So I'm gonna be opening this chest and this chest today. So I guess I'll start with this one. Okay, not bad. So it kinda bug. I Yes, got the log. So, I want my cannon cart at level 11. God, well, at least now I have every card found, and I guess I could open this too. And I guess I could also do these. Also. That is it, and I'll see you later. Bye.